Hi, this is Washobi. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. This is the limited edition Seiko Alpinist SJE085J1. I just got it. As you can see, it comes with a very long rectangular box. It has a protective sleeve, as you can see here. So if you slide off, so this is the main box itself. Rather heavy, and there's a reason why it's heavy. A white box with the brand printed in gold, and as you lift this up, you will see a very nice and beautiful lacquered wooden box. This is it. Now this wooden box has been protected actually by all this covering. I took the liberty of taking out because it would be easier for me to show the unboxing, otherwise it would be a bit awkward. But the protective box itself has a little slot here. This is where I think the manual as well the warranty documents are kept, as you can see there. Now the main box, as you can see, very nice wooden, lacquered, and then as you flip it, you will see a nice print Seiko limited edition velvety innards. This is the watch itself and some of the tabs. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch. Do follow the channel, give us a thumbs up, and until the next time, thank you so much. Bye bye.